Imagine being miles beneath the Earth's surface. Then the world above collapses. You're deep inside a breathtaking cavern, every shadow a discovery. Suddenly, a tremor. A low growl erupts into a violent roar as an earthquake seals your only exit. Dust chokes the air, light extinguished by absolute darkness. Your heart pounds. The silence after the collapse is louder than the chaos. Every breath is precious, every movement uncertain. Alone, deep underground, you face the ultimate test of survival, where hope is fragile. This terrifying scenario pushes you to your absolute limits, leaving you with the crushing realization that your biggest challenge has just begun. What would be your first move if this happened to you? Share your thoughts below.